My name's Dominic. I'm 46. I'm a renal perfusionist on the organ transplant team.
We finally got my buddy Dominic here. He's been looking at my hair for a lot of years. We're hanging out at the lake, known this guy since I was in 6th grade. He's tired of looking at his bald head, and we're going to put some hair up there. I'm excited for him. What do you think? You ready to go?
Yep. I guess.
What's really important in this scenario is we basically treat the area we're transplanting right through here like it's bald. And that way we're allowing for any future hair loss of what's not transplanted, while also giving him a nice, even, natural look. Now we'll also talk to him about what he can do to keep this hair as well. So when you add this to the density we'll give him with the transplants, beautiful result. The hair in the back is fantastic. So we're going to kind of follow Dom through this journey, talk to him a little bit about what his thoughts are about the upcoming procedure, and we're also going to do a little tour of where the action's going to happen on Monday. So we're going to go to the surgery suite soon, give you guys a rundown on how the day's going to go.
Probably about 7 years ago I got a divorce. My self-confidence kind of wasn't there, and I knew I wanted to do something about it, and I knew that I wasn't going to let myself go totally bald. I am getting remarried next summer, and so it's going to be nice to get pictures done and know I'll have hair and I don't have to wear a hat, and my fiance would be real happy about that.
Alright Dom, this is where the magic's going to happen on Monday. You're going to be in the clinic total of about 5 hours, in here about 4 hours. Now you're going to have a total of 7 people working on you. Physician, nurses, assistants, and medical assistant. So really there's sort of 4 phases to the procedure. The harvest of the donor area in the back takes about 20 minutes. Physician will do a special closure back there. It'll leave a pencil thin suture line that allows the hair to grow back through it. We're going to use some plasma with you as well, PRP. That helps with the healing in the back and helps on top as well. Then he's going to get with the head nurse on the number and type of grafts we want from the area we've harvested. Right here is where they're going to dissect those out into the little groupings that we want. He's going to make little tiny microscopic incisions through the top of the scalp. The top of the scalp is numb, so you're not going to feel anything. Okay. About an hour and a quarter in, they start placing the grafts. At this point, the sedative is worn off, but the top of the scalp is numb. So you're going to sit there for three and a bit hours while they're placing the grafts. You can watch some TV while they're doing that. You'll be very comfortable. You'll be able to interact with the nurses a little bit. Kind of a fun experience. Just sit there while they do their job and enjoy it. And then we'll give you some directions afterwards. You'll be off home. We'll call you tomorrow night or the night of the procedure. You'll be back in the next day for a wash and check of the grafted area. You're fine to drive that day. Okay. Simple as that. So looking forward to it. It's going to be exciting.
I'm excited.
Ready to roll? Awesome. All right, guys, this is exciting. I've got an 8-month follow-up here. So Dominic did his multi-unit hair grafting 8 months ago. So here he was right before the procedure at the original consultation. Here he was the day of the procedure. So we reframed the face, went up to the midpoint on the top of the scalp. Let's go take a look and see how he's doing. Whoa, look at this guy. Awesome. How you doing, buddy?
I'm good.
Guys, this is amazing. So getting married in what, less than 2 weeks, right?
Yes.
This is 8 months post-transplant. Normally takes 12 months for all the hair to come back in. Guy looks about 21 again, so this is what it's all about, guys. 8 months post-transplant, multi-unit hair grafting, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It looks awesome. It's awesome.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.